How to edit Amazon listings in bulk. I am going to show you how you can easily edit Amazon listings in bulk. Log into your Amazon seller account. Select the drop-down menu on the top left of your screen. Hover over Catalog and select the Add Products via Upload option. Head to the Download Spreadsheet section first and choose the template you need. Choose the marketplace you need. Scroll down to Step 1. Here you must select your product's exact category or the category in which you wish to add new products. For example, we chose Home and Kitchen, Kitchens Dining, Wine Accessories, Wine Glasses. Verify your choice by looking at the summary of your selected products found just below the Product Classifier option. Scroll down further down the page to Step 2 and select your Amazon Marketplace. Click on the Generate Template button found below Step 3 and select the Type of Template section. An Excel file will automatically download on your device. The Template tab contains empty section sellers must fill and each section. Single colored rows and columns presenting different aspects of a product detail page. The most important area here is the orange colored section that you must complete. As for the rest of the field content, fill out as much as possible. Don't worry if your Excel file contains values different from the ones shown in the image below, as the details vary according to the product category. If you are unsure which values to add in some regions of the Excel file, select the Valid Values tab for more details. Again, this isn't a required step. It is just to help new sellers or those bulk uploading Amazon products for the first time to select the correct values. Save your file after you are done adding your product information. Then head back to your Seller's Central account and this time, head over to the Upload Your Inventory file in the Add Products via Upload section. Click on the Browse Files button to upload your Excel file. Next, type in your email address to know when the upload is complete. Finally, hit the Upload button.